Canvas has an immersive reader, but it only works on pages. So if you go to a page, you'll see up here in the top right corner, Immersive Reader. If you click on that, it will bring up a new type of page where it makes the text a little easier to read. There are a few things that you can do within this Immersive Reader. You can break it down into syllables if you're trying to teach phonics and reading fluency. You can turn on line focus so that it gets rid of other distractions. You can have 3 lines of text at a time, or you can have more lines of text at a time. The other thing that is nice for our ELL students is that if necessary, you can translate anything on that page to other languages. So I can turn this into Spanish and buy the whole document, and it will translate the whole document. So I'm going to turn that back into English. And then I can listen to just that word, or I can listen to the whole document. So I'm going to turn line focus off so that I can listen to the whole document. The other thing you can do is change your text size, increase the spacing or decrease the spacing, and change your font. Also, for students who need the visual aid, you can turn it to a dark theme so the contrast is better for reading. To play the whole document, come down here and push play.
Disclosure. 20th century people, problems, and progress.
You can also change the voice speed by on the right hand side of the play button on the bottom. You can change it from male to female, or you can change the voice speed to speed it up or slow it down.